And what we now want to do is we want to apply the filters, and for that you have to first of all select the table and then go to data and then click on auto filter, and the filter will be applied, and you can sort these data as per for example decreasing or increasing for any of these parameters or the columns. For example, quantity, if you want to sort by quantity in descending order, for example. So here we are having this by descending, by ascending, like that we are having the price, we have in descending and ascending, and we are having the column ascending and descending. Yeah, so all these rows will be rearranged as per the order which we have selected for any of these columns. So this is very important when you want to present data to someone, and they will be able to see which item has the highest amount, sort of that. So all these kind of insights will be very helpful for everyone. So once that is done, there is another way to create the table. So let's say if you are having if you want to have this table, so click on the table, and where is the data of your table, just click on it, and now we are having the filters applied, and you can have as many as filters.
Thanks so much for watching this tutorial. If you liked it, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you didn't, then leave a comment so that we can improve it further. Do watch these suggested tutorials to learn even more, and do let us know what you want to learn on Being Skilled.